In this series, I'm going to talk to you about the types of tools that we use to turn a bowl, specifically bowl gouges. They come in various sizes and various shapes and various lengths. Bowl gouges will have a longer handle and a heavier handle so that you can rest part of the tool handle on your hip. And this will be important when you're turning a bowl to maintain control of the tool. It's sharpened right here, and this will be part of the cutting edge that cuts the material. This is one grind, but you might see different grinds on bowl gouges. Here's another type of grind. This is a traditional bowl grind, and you can see there is a significant difference between the two, but they both have one thing in common. They both have a cutting edge, and they both have a flute.